Okay, so we have the floor of the shower out. Started sanding it. Thought might be able to resurrect it, but I'm finding a lot of delamination going on. It's curled up in a lot of places where it's delamination basically has got right through the length of it. So I think it may actually be a loss, so we'll have to replace. Okay, so what do we replace it with? I always thought it was a bit strange having a flat board there when you got water draining around the sides, not through any clear sort of drainage system. So I had another think about what we need, and I think I'm going to go with a duckboard, just a good old variety shower floor duckboard. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so I took a trip down to the local hardware, and I found this particular one, which seems to fit the bill. The measurements are right. Obviously, it's going to be a bit of a challenge with the shape because, of course, our original shower floor was sort of not curved, but a bit of a, I can't remember, a rhombus or something like that. Anyway, I'll get my school fees back from the math side at least anyway. Okay, so let's have a look what we can do with this guy. Okay, so here we go. We've got the duckboard unwrapped. It's nice and solid. Yeah, good thickness to it. So I think we'll take the load. Obviously, it's what it's designed for. Let's have a look at the underside. Okay, and this is good news too, hopefully, is that the slats are all screwed on, which should make my job easier. I'm going to obviously unscrew the side ones and move them in at the same angle as my existing duckboard, and then reshape it, chop the ends off basically, so we get that nice sort of shape. So let's have a look and see how we can go and do. Okay, so going to use the old one as a template on the new, and you can see how close together they were in size. Actually, the width is almost perfect. So yeah, just got to get those triangles out and shorten at the top, but that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Okay, I've got the sides off. We've trimmed down each of the boards. I just need to trim the top off, obviously, and yeah, then I start doing the cross boards on an angle. Okay, here we have. We've cleaned up where it was glued before. That was just had to knock that apart a bit. We've cut it all, so it's a pretty good shape. And now I'm going to apply some glue to the surfaces before we screw it back together. There we go, just a dab here. Little dab will do ya. Just to sort of help the screws out with the adhesion. Don't want to come apart in the middle of a shower, could be messy. Okay, we'll carefully lay that on, line it up, and we'll start screwing the screws back in. Okay, that's all back together again. It looks like we've got a mirror image happening. The good news is these are all secure, screwed and glued. Screw your carriage to the sticking place, or was it the other way around? I don't know. But yeah, just got to do some sanding and give it a couple of licks of varnish, keep it waterproof, and shower time.